Again, congratulations to our new graduates. I think they deserve a very big round of applause. To lead the Pledge of Loyalty, may I now call on Mr. Kim Z. Sia, BSN, Batch 2015, Cum Laude. Graduates, please rise.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am a Tomasian, inspired by Christ's teachings, warmed by Mary's motherly care, and Saint Thomas Aquinas' scholastic ardor, nurtured by the dogmas of Christian faith, etched deeply in the traditions of the Catholic Church, I walk with pride under God's glorious image. As instruments of His abiding grace, in gratitude to my pontifical and royal alma mater, I promise to dutifully live the fruits of my learning in my chosen profession, moved by vows of excellence and commitment, and with conscience always strive to serve the Almighty, humanity, and this country. Now, as I leave the portals of my beloved university, I pledge allegiance and undying love to the Tomasian ideals. Let the brilliant cross up there be my beacon and light, my mentors, my witnesses. I pledge to be loyal and perpetuate the values and truths that illumine every Tomasian's path. I am and will always be a true, faithful Tomasian. In my mind, heart, and spirit. So help me God. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sia. Graduates, please remain standing for the induction to the UST Nursing Alumni Association. Now that you have been given your pledge, you will be inducted to the association by Associate Professor Dr. Mila Delia M. Llanes, President of the UST.
Please raise your right hands and follow after me. Fully aware of the Constitution and bylaws of the Alumni Association of the University of Santo Tomas, and desirous of belonging to it, I hereby take this pledge of membership, promising to abide by the decisions and instructions of its duly constituted authorities, and offering to render my loyal support to any and all activities for which my cooperation may be sought. So help me God. Congratulations. Let's wait to the
Thank you, Dr. Llanes. Graduates, please sit down. The University of Santo Tomas, through the College of Nursing, presents special awards to its graduates. May I request the parents of the awardees to accompany their son or daughters on stage as they receive their awards. The Loyalty Gold Medal is given to a student who has studied in the university from elementary to college. The Loyalty Gold Medal awardees are Fajardo Faye Angelica A.